Video, we're going to show you how to add background videos. So the thing that you have to do is make sure that your page is already built. It's done. The pick background video is going to be your last step. So anything you want to drag and drop, make sure you dragged and dropped it already into the page. Then on the left it says pick background video. Now we have a bunch that's already here that you can choose from, or you could add your own. For example, if I want to add the shark swimming, I click on it, hit select, and give it a second, and that becomes, the background of the page. If I don't want to do that, I could hit pick background video again, scroll down, find one of the videos I like, and we have tons of them here. So I want this, and then it becomes the background of the page. Now, then you would hit save. But what you want to do before you hit save is you want to go back in to pick background image. Even if you've already done it, you got to do it after you add a video, because videos only show up on PCs. They don't show up on mobile, and the site will tend to show the template image, which may not be what you want. So for example, I would go in here to travel. When I find it, where's it at? Travel, right here. And I could just, find an image that works. Let's say I just like this one. Hit confirm. Now you won't see it back there, okay? But I'm going to hit save anyway, because it's going to end up saving it in the background there, okay? So as you can see, we have this video. The other way to add videos, if you don't like any of the ones we give you, you can certainly go to YouTube and upload it. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let's say I was doing a capture page maybe about spring break. So I just typed in spring break and I found a video. I could grab that, copy the entire video link, come back over to the page, and where it says pick background video, I'm going to paste that entire YouTube video right there in the box and hit save. And then that video shows up in the background. Okay? So you can use YouTube videos, or you can use our videos that we already have. Now, you always want to go back and click pick background image. So if you change the movie, also go back, pick the background image and hit save before you do anything else, and it will save the background of the page. And that's how you do background videos.